Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Sam Houston rebuild. This is going to be a several part series, because in every episode I'm going to be playing one game, offense and defense, every single game. If we blow the team out, or if it's like an FCS school, I might play 2 games. So I'm aiming for episodes to be 20 to 30 minutes. But the storyline behind this. So after Sam Houston was 2-10 this season, they bring in coach Frank Mixon to rebuild. No players got drafted, and now it's the off season. He has a lot of work to do. So let's start spending some stuff in the recruiter. Let's see if we can max this out. So let's just get the important positions. I'm going to go with offensive line. Then we'll get some. We'll go tier 3. Let's go with receivers. And we'll go with linebackers. And then we can spend one more on defensive line. Okay. But after firing both coordinators, we hired Ricky Rodney, the Old Dominion head coach, as our offensive coordinator. He does some strategist stuff. And we got a defensive coordinator who's a tactician. He does some stuff for both sides of the ball, which is good. And he's the highest level coach available. No one really wanted to come here, so I just picked with this guy. Alright, let's get right into off-season transfer portal and off-season recruiting. There's a couple guys on my board, and we actually did get some commits, which is surprising. There's a lot of random guys on my board trying to get a 4-star. This guy's probably gone with confidence. He's gonna get him. But let's see who is available in the transfer portal. Are 2-7. Alright. First of all, I just want to see who is transferring. Any 5-star. Oh my goodness. 6 5-star transfers. Hal Simmons, Ahmad Hardy, Isaac Brown, Kawan Lizzie, Jordan Steve, and Dante Moore are all transferring. And by the way, in this dynasty file, Indiana won the national championship. But let's see if we can pick up some good transfers. I am going to build out my board, and I'll be back. Alright, so I got my board built out. We have a lot of freshman transfers, and as you can see, there are some pretty big names on here. Ty Uhas, Chris Jones, we got Jamie French, King Miller, Billy Smith Jr. Hopefully we can land at least a couple of these guys, which is a pretty good one too. But wish me luck with this, and we are going to do this a week. None of these guys are really interested in our school, so I'm adding a lot of hours. But we do have limited hours. So let's just look at this week. Let's see. Just hope and pray I know what lots of stuff. Okay, we're first on James French. No one else is offered. That is a great sign. Now let's check. Achilles Smith Jr. We're also first, which could not be going better. And Chris Jones. No one is offered. Honestly, this is actually crazy. King Miller looks like Fresno State. I don't know why you're offering him. Want to put some more hours in him? Maybe. But let's go down. I'm not worrying about these recruits, to be honest. Okay, Brandon Barnes Jr. is definitely going to yield my no. I'm not going to waste my hours on him. Chuck McDonald, no one's offered him. Going to keep him on the board. Ty, sadly, we might probably not going to get Ty. Still put some hours into him. Chris Jones, probably going to get him. Also, Daniel Anderson. Rawls, no one's offered him. We are going to put 5. Alright, how about these other guys? Let's see, a lot of schools have offered them. The bigger schools like Houston, definitely offered. Let's go with 5 on each. And we'll keep an eye on Jamie and a couple of these other guys. King Miller doesn't look like we're going to be getting him. Also, I want to put some arrows and do some troops real quick. No one's really offering these guys. Might as well go after Georgia Tech cannot offer them scholarship yet. They're good in the regular season, but I guess they're not really. And I got a couple 1-stars for some reason. Yeah, we're also gonna try to win that recruiting battle with Army. Alright, and we're good to advance the week. On week 4, I might add some more players who haven't been offered, so I can find some good ones. Looks like we're second on King Miller now. Still first on the guys I'm worried about. Or the guys that I really want to get. Alright, let's go down and see that we can. Don't know if we're gonna get that. We have no hours to spend. Chris Jones Temple's also offered him. Let's go to Alright, South Alabama. And King Miller, Fresno State, still first on Cruz, so no one's going after him. Alright, I am going to advance the week, see what happens here. Let's hope. No updates. Just a couple of some other guys can see any of the names. Alright, looks like King Miller dropped the third. I think I'm going to pull out of this battle. We're going to keep it Keely, just in case. A couple of these other guys. Yes. I think we're going to be getting him. So I am going to remove these hours. Right. Charcoal down, I will actually add more. So we can guarantee we get him. Jason Robinson, we get him. Not a bad transfer. Started for a couple of years. I might get into this guy here. We can just say some ads on the scholarships. We're going to get by him. Let's see this. He has no record, so you know, just worth it. I don't really deal with that guard. But we are going to search. Alright, we'll go with minimum 3-star. Then we'll go with open recruit stage. Looks like we got a lot of 4-stars. Raylan Wilson is actually not a bad player. We are going to pick him up. 1-year starter for us. Sorry, Brock Lowry. We don't need quarterbacks. I am confident we're going to get Achilles Smith, Xavier Gate, and we'll pick him up. We can have one more player. Idmo's not bad. Don't know if I can take one receiver though. Just Trevor Jackson. There's just so many receivers. I know that one's good. see if we can sign full class. Alright, send ahead. I'll let you know who we get. Alright, I come back with good news. We signed a lot of the players we got. And let's check all the depth traits. Alright, impact, normal. I didn't really look at it's fine, normal. Gonna be a lot of normals. Players I picked up are not great. So everyone's got normal so far. But I'm hoping the transfers can make up for it. Ooh, that's actually not bad. We did end up getting Jameson Day, impact depth. Normal, Slater, normal. We lost out on him. It's alright. Another recruit. Alright, let's get to our transfers. Star depth, Billy Smith. Impact on Jason Robinson. Star on Jamie. Lost out on these two tackles and guards. Gaston has star. It's alright. I heard Chris Jones is gonna have star. Chuck McDowell, not sure about him, but he has impact. Bartley's normal. I guess these guys did not commit anywhere. And now it's just. Okay, so let's see what class we finished with. We finished with the best class in the CUSA. We ranked 262nd overall, 19 4-stars, 3 2-stars, and 4 1-stars. Actually not a bad class for the first year. I will go through addition changes and get back. Alright, we have some depth trait upgrades as we get individual results. Alright, I left on, or I turned off auto progression. So, I'm going to do for a couple of players. We'll start with Achilles Smith. I might just... Alright, I'm actually going to get back to you once I do all this and I'll let you know the team overall and everything at the end, okay? I'm back. Welcome back to the training results. So, we have some great progression, especially our transfers. French is our best player at 83. Chris Jones is 22 and 82. Chuck McDonald, and the best player, that returning player, is really young, wide receiver. And Chuck McDonald got up to an 80 and a freshman. And some other players. Then we go position by position. You can see we don't have a freshman running back starting. Tight end Navigators. Offensive line is not too bad. Tackles are good. Good defensive line, some decent linebackers, Chris Jones doing our best. We got a lot of true freshman corners starting for us too. I think one of them will start here. And safeties are not too bad. Kicker is a freshman, I'm coming back to about 75. Alright, that is our team. And that will also bring us to the end of the first episode. I will, we'll start to encourage some transfers here maybe, but I don't think we only have 55 players, but that is going to conclude this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on some notifications. Sorry, I'm like super tired. My team overall is 66, okay? And just follow my channel for more updates on this Dynasty series. I will try to make an episode every day, but that's all for now. Bye.